Honestly, just do simple set of physical exercise which is helpful for us before and after meditation. Let's start with Superbrain Yoga. Keep your left hand connected to your right earlobe. Okay? Right hand over the left hand connected to the left earlobe. Okay, while you go down, inhale. While you come up, exhale. We'll start. I'll show you one thing. First one. Back should be straight. While you go down, inhale. While you come up, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, from front side. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, we'll start. You should face east or visualize we are facing east. Okay, start. You will do 14 times. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I will start with eyeball rotation. To the right 12 times, to the left 12 times. Okay? We will start towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clean your eyes. I will do neck left to right. Okay? 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now do neck up and down. While you raise your neck up towards the ceiling, towards the sky, inhale. While you exhale, come down, exhale, touch the chin to the chest. While you exhale, open your mouth. Keep your teeth closed. Okay? Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 11, 12. Okay? I will start with upper body twist. Upper body twist is just nothing. Keep your hands parallel to the floor. Okay? Just turn towards the right, look towards the back. Okay? Come back, exhale, look towards the left side, back, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One set is just going to right and left. One time it is one set. Okay? I'll show you. This is one set. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. This is one set. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Okay, we'll do hands rotation. Hands keep straight, push, push. Okay? Push towards the wall. Okay? Now we'll rotate towards the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Relax. Now do the same thing. Somehow big ground. Okay? Push it. Push, 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 push. Maximum stretch. Okay? Somehow big ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax, 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 relax. Take deep breath in, breathe out. Relax. Okay? Now you flick your elbows. Okay? Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now hands rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Flick your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now hip rotation. Towards the right 2 times, towards the left 2 times. Okay? Your shoulder should not move like this. Okay? Only the hip should move. Only the hip should move. Okay? Make sure only the hip is moving. Normal breathing, normal breathe out. Don't hold your breath. Okay? While you exhale, while you tilt to the right, exhale. Coming back to the center. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So don't concentrate on it. Just be aware about it. It will automatically come. Okay? Okay, please start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we do semi-squats. Semi-squats is nothing. Stand straight, legs little apart. Okay? While you little bend your knees. Okay? Bend your knees. Okay? Hands relaxed. Okay? Just imagine your hands is placed between 2 walls. Okay? And the back should be straight. Okay? Back should be straight. The back spine, end of the spine is going deeply connected to the Mother Earth. Okay? So we will do this 50 times. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? And the spine exercise. How to do it? Just stretch your spine. How can you stretch your spine? Okay? Stretch, stretch. Okay? Stretch, stretch. Okay, we'll do this 2 times. Okay? Start. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now do knee exercises. Flick your knees. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Other knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Toe rotation. Towards the right to dance, towards the left to dance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Flex your toes up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session.